Welcome back, guys. Today we have our 6-month update of our 38-way ceramic coatings, waxes, and sealants longevity test. We've had an incredible amount of rain in the last month, as you'll see here on your screen, and I would say probably 75% of that came all down within about a period of 3 hours. So we're in full-on summer mode here, pretty high daily temperatures. Let's see if there's any changes to report. If you'd like to support the channel, there are ways to do so on your screen here, and if you see anything you like, please consider buying them through the Amazon Associates links in the video description. As usual, we will foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse it one more time to inspect the hydrophobic properties. We'll do monthly updates and checkups until the last one fails. These hoods sit outside our shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week here in East Texas. Starting on here, ETHOS. It's actually not ETHOS, it's CARPRO CQUARTZ UK 3.0 with CARPRO SIC. I just haven't changed the label. Owner's Pride looks like it is starting to show a little weakness there. Look at that. And remember, each time that we wash these, then we put them back behind our shop, we rotate them 90 degrees or 180 degrees, so they're never sitting in the same position every month. Tech 580 looks like it's doing all right. Everything else on the top not looking great. IGL, Kenzo, Graphene, and Glossit, however, do look great. Glossit looks very hydrophobic. Kenzo Graphene looks like not quite as hydrophobic as something like Glossit right next to it there. And Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax, dry and wet. Those have been a little weak for a while. Not sure exactly what's going on there. The wet application maybe looks like it's doing a little bit better. Turtle Wax Ceramic is nearly failed. I think we're going to give it a pass this month. Just leave it marked weak. Seal and Shine looks like it's doing good as well. Turtle Wax, Liquid Wax, that's the Max Wax, and the Graphene Flex Wax. Flex Wax definitely looks like it's doing all right. I think the Liquid Wax, the Max Wax, we're now going to call that failed. Yeah, it is sticking completely, so maybe just a little bit, but I think we're gonna call that one failed. TLC Black Ice has failed. Hydrosilex and KB Diamond Plus. Hydrosilex, I think we're at nearly failed here. BCC Ceramic Wax had failed. The ceramic coating doing all right. There's Fuso again, just being incredibly hydrophobic. That's been the big surprise for me. CQuartz Light actually looking really good too. But yeah, going back to Fuso, that's impressive. Out of a can, and it's staying that hydrophobic. CQuartz Light and CQuartz SIC by themselves, equally as impressive. Very hydrophobic. Sorry about my dog in the background there. Yes, very, very hydrophobic. Those are consumer, you can buy those over the counter, more or less. CQuartz UK 3.0 also. CQuartz UK 3.0 has always been a very good performer in previous tests. That's why I like to always include it. Sprayway SiO2 had long since failed, and 303, the old version and the new version, the new batch. Looks like the new is definitely doing better. Addendum's Graphene, looking good. The spray coating, it's looking kind of weak. Lone Star pre-production ceramic spray has failed. And Jack's Wax 9H looking great, along with Nano Age Nanobond. That's our $20 Amazon ceramic coating, looking great. Come on, focus. Yeah, Nano Age looking outstanding. Wurixen 10H, another Chinese low-cost coating, looking good. And that's actually HK Tianmei, not JK. HK Tianmei, looking good, along with Avalon King, very similar product to those others. So what do you think? Any big surprises here? I'm still impressed with Fuso, but we do have a couple new failures this month. So as usual, towards the end of the video here, I will show you the spreadsheet, and then of course you can get it in the Google Docs file in the video description in case there's any questions. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Updates will continue.